Thank you everyone. I request you to kindly take your seats. We extend a warm welcome to our honorable chief guest, honorable guest of honor, respected keynote speakers, session chairs, honorable vice chancellor, dean academics, heads of the institution and departments, eminent academicians and researchers, industry experts, delegates and participants from across the country and abroad. Your gracious presence adds great value to this occasion. Thank you everyone. A successful conference does not end with the final session. It begins with new ideas, new learning and new collaborations. Esteemed dignitaries, respected academicians, researchers, industry experts, delegates, scholars and dear participants, a very warm and pleasant afternoon to all of you present over here. It is with immense pride and honor to welcome you to the valedictory session of First International Conference on AI, Data Science, Cybersecurity and Smart Manufacturing for Sustainable Development 2026, organized by Vikrant University Gwalior, technically sponsored by IEEE MP section and Madhya Pradesh Council of Science and Technology. During the past 2 days, this conference has provided an excellent platform for knowledge sharing, research discussions, and academic interaction in the fields of artificial intelligence, data science, cybersecurity, and smart manufacturing. A total of 1,343 research papers have been received from across the country and abroad, out of which 358 papers have been approved and 197 papers received the final acceptance. The conference witnessed insightful keynote talks, engaging technical sessions, and valuable research presentations by experts, academicians, researchers, and students from different parts of the country and abroad. The active participation and contributions of all the delegates have truly made this a memorable and a successful academic event. As we come to the concluding session of this conference, I express my heartfelt gratitude to all the dignitaries, keynote speakers, session chairs, organizers, volunteers, delegates, and participants whose support and contribution has made this event a grand success. We sincerely hope that the ideas shared and the connections built during this conference will continue to inspire research, innovation, and future collaborations. Ladies and gentlemen, we shall now proceed with the felicitation ceremony to honor our distinguished guests for their valuable contribution to academics, research, innovation, and professional excellence. May I respectfully request Honorable Vice Chancellor to felicitate Dr. G.S. Tomar, Chairperson, IEEE MP section. So please. Thank you, sir. Can we have a huge round of applause? Now, I may request Dr. Anand Singh Besen, sir, to felicitate Dr. Sanjeev Patjoshi, IPS, former DGP. So, please. Thank you. Can we have a huge round of applause? Now, may I again request Dr. Anand Singh Bisen sir to felicitate Dr. Ashish Kumar Singhal, Chair, SAC IEEE MP Section. Thank you, sir. I would now request Dr. Sasank Swami to felicitate Dr. Somesh Kumar, Observer IEEE, Assistant Professor, Electrical and Electronics Department, AVV IIITM Gwalior. Sir, please. Thank you, sir. May I now request Professor Upen Singh Tomar to felicitate Dr. Vivek Tiwari, Observer IEEE, Associate Professor and Head Department of Computer Science, AVV IIITM Gwalior. Thank you, sir. May I now request Honorable Chief Guest Dr. G.S. Tomar to appreciate convener of the conference, Dr. Sasank Swami and Professor Upen Singh. Sir, please. Thank you, respected dignitaries, for your support and encouragement. As we move towards in today's ceremony, we now arrive at an important segment of the session. It is often said, leadership and vision play a vital role in shaping institutions and inspiring young minds towards excellence. It is now my proud privilege to invite the Honorable Vice Chancellor Vikrant University, Dr. Atul Kumar, to deliver the valedictory address and share his inspiring thoughts with us. Sir, kindly address the audience.
Distinguished Chief Guest of this valedictory session, Professor Tomar sir, and respected dignitaries on the dais, Dr. Pat Joshi, Dr. Anand Bisen, and representatives from IEEE, esteemed keynote speakers, other academicians, researchers, industry experts, delegates from India and abroad, faculty members of Vikrant University, dear students, ladies and gentlemen. Good afternoon. A very warm welcome to all of you on this occasion of a valedictory session of first international conference on artificial intelligence data science, cyber security, and smart manufacturing for sustainable development, which is being organized by Vikrant University Gwalior with the technical support of IEEE and sponsorship from Madhya Pradesh Council for Science and Technology. Friends, over the past 2 days, this conference has truly evolved into a vibrant global platform for intellectual exchange, collaborative learning, innovation, and meaningful academic dialogues. The participation of researchers, scholars, industry experts from across the country and the countries like South Korea, Philippines, and United States of America reflects the growing international significance of this conference. Can we have a round of applause for that? Truly, it gives me an immense satisfaction to witness how this gathering has successfully brought together the brilliant minds which are working together in the domains like artificial intelligence, data science, cyber security, and smart manufacturing. Yesterday also I discussed about this, and this is very close to the heart of our Honorable Chancellor Sir and with even of mine as well. Our ancient wisdom says Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. The whole world is one family. This is the belief of Indian knowledge system. And I can say this conference has embedded that timeless philosophy by fostering global academic collaboration with IEEE and the keynote speaker from Philippines and the papers from across the globe, and collective pursuit of knowledge and for the betterment of humanity at all. At Vikrant University Gwalior, we firmly believe that universities must become the center of innovation, entrepreneurship, ethical technology, and societal transformation, guided by the vision of New and National Education Policy 2020 and the larger purpose of Vikasit Bharat by 2047. At Vikrant University, we are committed to nurture research-driven, industry-ready, as well as socially responsible professional. In the inspiring word of Swami Vivekanand, he could be the guru of many of us, including mine. He said, "Utho, jago, और तब तक न रुको जब तक लक्ष्य की प्राप्ति न हो जाए." Arise, awake, and stop not till the goal is achieved. This message perfectly resonates with the spirit of innovation, perseverance, and excellence, and that we have witnessed throughout this conference. Every member who was working for the conference embedded with this philosophy. I would like to sincerely express my gratitude to the Honorable Chancellor Sri R.S. Rathore Sir, because of whose visionary leadership and unwavering commitment to the quality education, research excellence, and global collaboration continue to inspire us and drive the Vikrant University towards a greater height. My heartfelt appreciation also goes to IEEE, all the keynote speakers, session chairs, reviewers, and organizing committee members, faculty coordinators, student volunteers, and participants whose dedication and contribution made this conference a grand success in the form of valedictory session. So, dear delegates, conference may conclude formally after this session, but the exchange of ideas, collaboration, and research partnerships initiated here must continue far beyond these 2 days. I sincerely hope that the discussion and insights shared by all the keynote speakers, session chairs, and researchers during these 2 days will definitely lead for some meaningful, impactful innovations, interdisciplinary research, and meaningful solutions to some global challenges. So on behalf of entire Vikrant University family, once again, I would like to thank you all for your gracious presence, valuable participation and academic contribution. I wish you all a grand success in your future endeavors and safe journey, those who are traveling from here to the different places of the country. Jai Hind, Jai Vikrant.
Thank you, sir, for your inspiring and encouraging words. Your thoughts truly motivate us towards academic excellence and innovation. As we continue with the proceedings, we now move towards a brief reflection on the successful journey of this conference. A successful conference is always the result of teamwork, planning, dedication, and academic commitments. To present the highlights and achievements of the conference, I now invite Dr. Anand Singh Bisen, Conference Chair and Dean Academics, Vikrant University, Gwalior, to present the conference report. Sir, please.
Thank you, ma'am. Respected Chief Guest, Honorable Vice Chancellor, sir, distinguished guests, esteemed delegates, researcher and dear participant. It is my privilege to present a report to International Conference ICS DCS 2026 organized by Vikrant University, Gwalior, with technical support by IEEE, MP section and IETE, sponsored by MPCST. The conference provided an international platform for researcher, industry professional and scholar to discuss recent advancement in data science, computing, artificial intelligence, cyber security and intelligence system. ICA DCS 2026 received 1,343 research papers submission from different countries like South Korea, Switzerland, USA, Uzbekistan, Philippines and many others. All papers underwent a rigorous peer review process to ensure quality and originality. Participants joined in both mode, online and offline, making the conference a truly global hybrid event. Following evaluation, 359 papers were approved with acceptance rate approximately 14.67%, while 197 papers were registered for presentation and publication. The conference features keynote address by Associate Professor Christian, Dr. Ashish Singhal, Dr. Somesh Kumar, Dr. Priyanka Kaushik, along with technical session and scholarly interaction that promoted research, collaboration and knowledge exchange. The successful execution of conference was made possible through dedicated efforts of more than 150 reviewers and 23 session chairs who ensured the smooth conduct and academic quality of the conference proceeding. On behalf of organizing committee, I express sincere gratitude to all the authors, reviewers, keynote speakers, session chairs, sponsors, delegates, faculty members, volunteers and participants for their valuable support in making ICDCS 26 for a grand success. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for presenting the detailed report of the conference proceedings and achievements. As we move ahead in this session, We now arrive at one of the most inspiring moments of today's ceremony. It is often said, innovation and research together creates a better future. Ladies and gentlemen, it is a matter of immense honor to introduce our esteemed chief guest, Dr. G.S. Tomar, an eminent academician. Okay. Sure, sir. No issues. Ladies and gentlemen, it is a matter of immense honor and profound privilege to welcome our esteemed guest of honor, Dr. Sanjeev Patjosi, IPS PhD, whose illustrious career exemplifies excellence in administration, leadership, public service, and intellectual distinction. Dr. Patjosi, IPS, former DGP, Department of Fire Services, Rescue Disaster Management, and Home Guards, Government of Kerala, an accomplished administrator, distinguished academician, and globally respected professional. He has rendered exemplary service in several prestigious capacities across India and abroad, including his remarkable contribution to the United States missions in Kosovo. His unwavering commitment to public administration, disaster management, governance, and institutional leadership has earned him numerous distinguished honors, including the President of India Medal for Meritorious Service and prestigious United Nations Medal. Dr. Patjosi's inspiring journey stands as a testament to visionary leadership, integrity, resilience, and excellence in services to humanity. May I request, sir, to kindly address the audience.
Namaskar, good afternoon, and Vikrant Pranam also, because आपका बहुत popular greeting है, actually liked it. और आज का मुख्य अतिथि I think Dr. G.S. Tomar, Dr. Vice Chancellor Shri Atul Kumar, and आपका Director, main Chairman of the IEEE conference, the Vikrant University, Dr. Vishen, बाकी सारे विद्वानों, students एंड प्रेजेंटेशन. कल का मैं भी कुछ सेशन में बैठा, एक्चुअली बहुत लर्निंग हुई. कुछ चीज़ें जो कहावत है कि हम लोग पढ़ना कभी छोड़ना नहीं चाहिए, क्योंकि जब तक ज़िंदा हैं पढ़ना चाहिए. और मैं ये इसको काफ़ी बिलीव करता हूँ, क्योंकि काफ़ी हमारा सर्विस में, सिविल सर्विस में एक बड़ा सा कमी होती है कि जब एक सर्विस में आ जाते हैं, क्योंकि कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम बहुत टफ है, उसके बाद खाली फाइल पढ़ के नॉलेज बनाते हैं. मैंने काफ़ी दिल्ली में ही बोला हूँ कि विज्ञान भवन में ये सब फाइल पढ़ के मत बनाइए. आप रिसर्च पेपर, बुक पढ़िए और ज्ञान बढ़ाइए. और फिर फाइल पढ़ने वाला ज़्यादा दूसरों को ज्ञान देना शुरू करते हैं. ये सबसे बड़ा दुविधा हमारा है, क्योंकि और एक सब कुछ ना फंडामेंटल उनका क्लियर रहता है और काफ़ी कन्फ्यूजन क्रिएट करते हैं. फिर बाद में सॉल्यूशन ढूंढने के दूसरों को जिम्मेदारी देते हैं. ये बहुत बड़ा हमारा सिस्टम है. तो ये एक जो 2 दिन का जो बनाया है बहुत अच्छा था. और एक मैं यंग जनरेशन को बोलूँगा कि हमारा आजकल डेटा में बहुत फोकस चल रहा है. ठीक है, आप डेटा साइंस ये करें, लेकिन डेटा के बाद इंफॉर्मेशन बनता है जो थोड़ा सिंथेसाइज होके, और उसके बाद फिर नॉलेज डेवलप होता है. बट अल्टीमेट एम होना चाहिए विजडम, क्योंकि जब विजडम होता है आपको खुद मजा भी आएगा. खुद का एक बोलते हैं जो मैस्लो हायरार्की में एक ऊपर सुपर एक्चुअलाइजेशन जो बोलते हैं, वो आपको मज़ा आएगा. क्योंकि जो नॉलेज की किसी को चीज़ को अप्रिशिएट करना, वो आपका कैपेबिलिटी बनेगी. क्योंकि आजकल जनरली इंफॉर्मेशन में हम रुक जाते हैं, नॉलेज थोड़ा बढ़ते हैं, लेकिन बहुत हार्डली लोग विजडम डेवलप कर पाते हैं. और ये ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि शुरू से आप वो हैबिट करेंगे कि बाद में आपको एक होगा, क्योंकि एक अपना एक पर्सनलिटी जो डेवलप होता है उसमें होता है. तीसरी बात और एक है, बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग है, क्योंकि आजकल जो इशूज़ आ रहे हैं, जैसा काफ़ी इंडिया में भी इशूज़ हैं, विदेशों में भी इशूज़ हैं, और ये काफ़ी लोग हम लोग टाइम वेस्ट कर रहे हैं जो अनप्रोडक्टिव वर्क में, क्योंकि बेमतलब का. मैं तो काफ़ी कल बोलने वाला था कि एआई बेसिकली क्या है, जो परमानेंट मेमोरी है. बिफोर मैरिज गर्लफ्रेंड क्या पहनती, क्या खाती, सारे परमानेंट मेमोरी हो जाता है. जब शादी करते हैं बीवी क्या पहनती कुछ पता ही नहीं होता है, जो अपना नेचुरल मेमोरी है. तो इस तरह का हो गया, क्योंकि जो अननेसली कोई फिल्म स्टार क्या पहन रही है, क्या खा रही है, उसी में डिस्कशन उसी में होता है, और जो मेन इशूज़ है, जो कोई प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कुछ करना चाहिए, उसमें हम फोकस नहीं कर रहे हैं। और ये मोस्टली ऐसी ही हो रही है, क्योंकि यंग जनरेशन में एक बड़ा सा हम पता नहीं किस तरह का बहकावे में आ गए हैं और उसी में वो चला हुआ है, और वो अल्टीमेटली कहीं आगे बढ़ नहीं पा रहे हैं, और फ्रस्ट्रेशन बाद में डेवलप होता है। क्योंकि हम लोग भी देखे थे अपना यंग टाइम में, कोई क्रिकेट में फ़ैन था, पर लेकिन क्रिकेट में फ़ैन होना, लेकिन और भी कुछ काम करना भी होता है, कि फिल्मों में फ़ैन होता है। हॉबीज़ डेवलप करना अलग बात है, लेकिन जो मेन कोर एरिया आपका जो भी है, क्योंकि वो नहीं फोकस करेंगे और भी एक प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगी। क्योंकि ग्रेजुअली अभी देख रहे हैं काफ़ी स्टूडेंट्स लोग फ्रस्ट्रेशन में IIM में सुसाइड करना शुरू कर दिए, क्योंकि फ्रस्ट्रेशन डेवलप हो रहा है, क्योंकि उस तरह का अपना कैपेबिलिटी बढ़ा नहीं पा रहे हैं। लकीली आई थिंक बीकान यूनिवर्सिटी इज इम्यून फॉर दैट, कुछ नहीं हो रहा है, लेकिन काफ़ी इशूज़ आ रही है अभी, थोड़ा थोड़ा फेल्योर होने से बहुत बड़ा इशू आ रही है। तो एक अपना रखना चाहिए, और रिसर्चिंग माइंड होना चाहिए, क्योंकि हम लोग इंक्विजिटिव थोड़ा सा कहीं ना कहीं उसको डीपर, कल मैं थोड़ा एग्जांपल 2-3 दिया था, जैसा स्काई ब्लू होते हैं, हम लोग कभी पूछा नहीं क्योंकि स्काई क्यों ब्लू होता है, क्योंकि होता भी नहीं वो एक्चुअली ब्लू, बेसिकली इट्स ए कलरलेस रादर डार्क होता है, लेकिन हम पूछते नहीं हैं। इस तरह का CV रमन का भी कल दिया था, क्योंकि समुद्र वाटर क्यों ब्लू दिखता है, वो इंक्विजिटिव में वो अल्टीमेट डेवलप करके नोबेल प्राइज मिला। कैसे काफ़ी चीज़ें अपना नेचर में प्रॉब्लम्स है कि कुछ अलग से हिडन मतलब जो बोलते हैं साइंस है, उसको डिस्कवर करना कि इन्वेंट करना एक अलग बात होना चाहिए। और डेफिनेटली आज के लिए और एक आपको थोड़ा शायरी सुनाता हूँ। आपके हर याद कहानी है, आपके हर याद कहानी है, एक कहानी है, आपके साथ हर कहानी एक अल्फाज है, आपके साथ हर कहानी एक अल्फाज है, आपके हर मुस्कान सारे दिलों को एक धड़कन भी है, आपके हर बातें एक आवाज़ है, आपके हर आवाज़ विरासत हो जाए, विरासत हो जाए। थैंक यू वेरी मच, नाइस टू ऑल।
Thank you, sir. Your valuable thoughts will surely encourage these all to work with dedication and excellence, and your saires were truly wonderful. Now, as we move further, may I request our esteemed guest of honor, Dr. Parjoshi sir, to appreciate co-convener of the conference, Professor Nissan Kuswa, and Dr. Brazind Mishra. Sir, please. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. As we move towards the conclusion of this memorable conference, I now invite Dr. Sasank Swami, convener of the conference, to propose the vote of thanks. Sir, kindly address the audience.
Thank you, ma'am. End of a chapter is the beginning of a new chapter. This is the last day of the conference, and I hope the next conference we will meet again with the help of all the dignitaries and the people sitting here. It's my proud privilege and distinct honor to propose the vote of thanks for the International Conference on AI, Data Science, Cyber Security and Smart Manufacturing for Sustainable Development, ICA-DCS 2026. Organized by Vikrant University, Gwalior, this two-day conference has truly been a remarkable confluence of knowledge, innovation, collaboration, and academic excellence. First and foremost, I express our deepest gratitude to the Honorable Chancellor Sir, Shri Rakesh Singh Rathore, for his visionary leadership, unwavering encouragement, and constant motivation towards academic excellence and research-driven innovation. His inspiring guidance continues to shape the future of quality education and global learning. We sincerely thank our esteemed patron Shri Nitin Singh Tomar ji, Shri Vikrant Singh Rathore ji, Honorable Pro-Chancellor of Vikrant University for their constant support, inspiration and commitment towards creating a vibrant ecosystem for higher education, innovation and international research collaboration. A special note of gratitude to Dr. G.S. Tomar sir, Chairperson IEEE MP section and all organizing members for their academic leadership in bringing together researchers, academicians, industry experts, innovators and scholars from across the globe under one platform to exchange ideas and discuss emerging technologies for sustainable development. I also give a special note to Dr. Sanjeev Parjoshi, guest of honor, for sparing his valuable time and the guidance to all of us. Our heartfelt gratitude goes to Professor Dr. Atul Kumar, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Vikrant University, whose academic vision, dynamic leadership, and valuable guidance have been instrumental in making ICA DCS 2026 grand success. His dedication towards fostering interdisciplinary research and innovation is truly commendable. I extend sincere thanks to Ms. Richa Verma, Registrar, Vikrant University, for her valuable administrative support, tireless dedication, and seamless coordination throughout the conference planning and execution. I also express our sincere appreciation to Dean Academics, distinguished advisory committee members, conference chairs, co-conveners, organizing committee members, faculty coordinators, session chairs, reviewers, volunteers, whose restless efforts, teamwork, and commitment ensured the successful conduct of the international conference. Their hard work behind the scenes deserves special recognition and applause. We gratefully acknowledge the valuable technical supports and professional support provided by the IEEE Madhya Pradesh section, whose association has significantly enhanced the technical quality, academic standards, and international visibility of ICA DCS 2026. I also extend our sincere thanks to MPCST Madhya Pradesh Council of Science and Technology for their generous sponsorship and encouragement towards promoting research, innovation, scientific advancement, and technological development for societal benefit. I also appreciate to the Institute of Electronics and Telecommunication Engineers IETE for their valuable academic and professional support to this conference and for encouraging young researchers and professionals in the field of emerging technologies. A very special thanks to Vikrant University Gwalior for providing an excellent platform, world-class infrastructures, and warm hospitality that made this conference truly memorable, intellectually enriching, and impactful for all participants. I also thankful to all keynote speakers, distinguished delegates, researchers, authors, industry experts, and participants for sharing their valuable knowledge, insightful research findings, innovating ideas, practical experiences that greatly enriched the conference deliberation and inspired meaningful discussions. I would also like to acknowledge the enthusiastic participation of students, young researchers whose curiosity, energy, and innovative spirit added great value to the conference and reflected the promising futures of science and technology. Finally, I extend sincere thanks to our media team, technical support staff, student volunteers, IT team, and everyone working behind the scenes whose dedicated efforts, cooperation, and commitment contributed immensely to the smooth and successful organization of ICA DCS 2026. As we conclude this prestigious international conference, let us carry forward the spirit of innovation, collaboration, and sustainable development that has been essence of ICA DCS 2026. May the discussions and ideas shared here continue to inspire future research, partnerships, technological advancement for the betterment of society. With immense gratitude to all dignitaries, participants, sponsors, collaborators, and supporters, I conclude my vote of thanks. Thank you. Jai Bharat, Jai Hind, Jai Vikrant.
Thank you, sir, for expressing gratitude on the behalf of the organizing committee of this conference. Ladies and gentlemen, with this, we arrive at the final segment of today's ceremony at Vikrant University, Gwalior. It is a proud tradition to conclude every prestigious academic gathering with a spirit of unity, deep respect, and pride for our nation. May I request everyone to kindly rise for the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
Thank you all. Kindly be seated. To cherish the memories of this memorable moment, we shall proceed with the photo session now. I would like to invite the respected keynote speakers, session chairs, and the student members of IEEE to join the dignitaries on the dais for a photograph.